Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is hash tables. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. When we are learning data structures, one of the topic that we have to be aware of are hash tables. So what is a hash tables? Hash tables are a type of data structure in which the address index value of the data element is generated from a hash function. This enables very fast data access as the index value behaves as a key for the data value. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short definition of hash tables. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.